I will show you the product equation here. It do not have a batteries around here. We know about it. This is the cap here. The question is what kind of batteries this product requires here. So I will open this product here. It's a Chinese case and it's unopen it here. We'll testify straight over. It just works. It has a little manual putting on here. Just try to save the money here. It's supposed to be bicycle. This kind of alarm, and it's very cheap here. It uses a batteries, which I don't know, AA or AAA here. It has a Chinese manual here. Actually, it has in this manual here. This doesn't yet mention here what kind of a battery it has. Here we go. The manual refer the specifications. So 6F2290V battery here. Okay, so waterproof, work with the water here. For digital code, it's only using unlock in here. APC default code here, case designer. DI, well, it's a little instruction about DDI. The good chance but the specification adaptation here. Left power consists well better long life is the installation. Do it yourself here. I require 6F2290F here battery. So I have this battery right here and here. So we'll make this test right straight after because does it work this product here. And damn it, I have those batteries. I bought the 3 more. I was aware about this thing here. So I put the battery straight on there. Okay, so there. Okay, here is this battery in my hands. I need just take this cartilage. So the one thing about the pulling the cables, you have to be careful about it here. So just put the battery attaching about here, okay, so like this, and do it when this product is not on. I should be made sure about it here. Okay, now the battery is on. I could put the cartilage this thing. So now it is on. The battery is on. And what is supposed to happen to this product from now on is take a look around here. With the code only to use it can unlock here, user. But you can open after this. There's a back panel here, take a battery away here. What are you gonna do then here? Excel here. When a unit not work, how to open this usage here? Default code is APCA, like APCA. Code change. So when the unit not work, press A for 3 seconds and you will hear a short T here. 3 seconds here. Okay, T. So the input code, that's what this here. You'll hear the code DDDDD. Input the all code. You will hear a DDD sound if correct, like all code. Okay, APCA. You will hear a DDD sound if correct. Then you should input your forget code now, code not later than 5 seconds. You will hear a DDD sound if success. Nate, you input the from all code as well. Then you also repeat. If it takes a spectral access 30 seconds, go back to default code automatically. The default is in the middle here. Adjust when the unit is not work. Press C and hold down until you hear. So the rest is here, like you see. Until you hear, you should lose your hands after you hear each sound here. Right here, it sounds here. How long? This was the code. Use your hands after you eat the high sensitivity D, middle sensitivity DDD, low sensitivity DDD. Set alarm, press P, this alarm here. For 3 seconds you will hear D, so then the unit will work after 5 second delay here. Real life alarm, input your 4-picket code, then you will hear a DDD sound if you correct. It will go from goes, you will hear the long D sound here. So now it should be putting alarm here. If you move in here, look at it here. Listen here. Look at it here. So what happened now? So it stopped it here, right? It doesn't move here, right? Does it work? So what happened now? You don't press this button, whatever, A. Still use it here. It will called APCAP. What do you think? Okay, I'm stopping around here. When I press it here, so far. So now I'll press P for 3 seconds, you will hear D. Rather you put it for duplicate code, you will hear it, it sounded correct. The keypad will lock it for 3 minutes if you input the front code 4 times successfully. You will receive 3 minutes later here. If it's here, somebody open it. What happened here? So they use about the sensor here. Okay, now stop it here. The same different thing here. P, 3 seconds. Now it didn't work. Nickel crown here. Set alarm. Now it's gets an alarm. How to stop this alarm here? Release the alarm, input the 4 code, then you will hear a DD sound if correct. You will hear a long D sound. The keypad will lock it for 3 minutes if you input the front code 4 times successfully. You will resume 3 minutes later here. But what about if you just cut this battery off here? So I take a battery away. Everything has some different problems. One trigger to allow it with some 5 times, and if it's triggered again with 5 seconds, it will some 50 seconds continuously here. Waterproof, I do not immerse the product in the water. Sounds good, but nickel crown now I'm looking for here. Little mouse, how much is the guess right now? It's stopping on here. Now it's section 1. Short notification. And stop it here. Sorry, this is an alarm bar, but then so they moving around here. Again. How much is this kind of a trickery? And it is a sound about it here. Somebody, okay, whatever, I continue. Often it might be here, moving faster, right? Yeah. Nickel crown, now it's here. Moving faster, yeah. Nickel crown, yeah. And what happened now? Somebody is okay, take off here. This is the alarm is getting important noise here. What about somebody just go behind here, pull the case of those things off here? Okay, you lose power, and ta-dam. So the biggest problem of this product is that somebody gets open after